guys. Tayo mangsusulat tayo ha. Tayo mangsusulat. Drawing. Tapos, opo. Opo. Tapos kay yung part to kay sir kay sobrang tapa yun. Magsusulat na tayo guys, magsusulat tayo. Guys, alam mo, meron ko headset.
Meron.
Magdodrawing tayo guys. Mag-i-start na tayo. Una, yung palalan natin guys. Yung una, palalan natin guys.
Pangalan.
Palalan natin. Pangalan natin guys, okay? Pangalan. Tapos naman, susulat tayo ha? Susulat tayo. Name muna, ang pala ko, Sofia. Okay. S-O-F-I-A space dot space S-H-E-K-H. Okay? I-start na tayo guys ha. Una, papress muna guys. Ang gawin natin ikaw. Okay? Plus muna. Okay? Plus.
9 plus 7.
Split 7. Oh, narinig mo? Tapos ito pa guys. Oh, tingnan mo guys, ganda. See guys, see. Matapos natin to, titignan natin po tama natin gagawa. Okay, pangit to. Tinandaan ko. Burahin natin to, masyado mahaba guys.
Napakakapal naman.
Tapos mahaba natin yung plus. Mas lagyan natin to. Yeah, gagawin na yung ulo. Tingnan mo kasi, ganda nga. Sobrang ganda. And like and subscribe ha. Like and subscribe guys. Okay? Oh, I love you guys. Ipipinggan natin to guys. Ipipinggan natin guys, okay? And guys, like and subscribe. I like to subscribe. One day, please like and subscribe, please. Doing you want. So. Tapos, first buburahin natin.
Asan yung pambura mo?
Wait. Pupuno ko pambura muna ko guys ha. Ano pambura?
Ayusin yung bura.
Taka lang. Eto pambura ko guys. Eto pambura ko. Okay? So, ito pa pag-iindan. See, guys? Labit, labit, labit! Demo, mata mo guys, mata mo na. Mata.
Ba't mo ginagano pa siya mo? Nakikita ka ba yan?
Hindi. So, pinapinin ito maganda. Nagkakulay yung kumata. Pencil ko. So, maganda to guys.
A las 9:12. A las 11.
Sobrang ko yung hair. Ayun kasi masyado na mapangit. Masyado mapangit. Okay. So, maganda to guys. May hanek, diba? Okay. Guys, gutin yung heart ko. Tayo ng heart. Heart.
Ganito lang ang paggawa ko. Ano ba yung palit-palit? Hawakan mo. Ganun lang ah.
Tingnan natin. Baba, eto, dito. Diba, guys? At kukulayin natin. Kukulayan natin. Kulayan. Babuksan ng nanay. Okay na.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Yay! Ah! Bukan mo na.
Yung buhok kulay, ilagay mo yung kulay brown. O kaya gold.
Yung skin, skin. Skin muna, di ba guys?
Asa
Skin.
na skin yun?
Ito.
Kulay orange.
Hmm.
Huwag mong palalakpasin siya buhok.
Skin na. I eyebrow na eyebrow. Kulay blocks. Kulay blocks siyempre. Siyempre, meron makeup girl. Lipstick. Hair na. Hair. What's that? What's that, guys? What's that?
Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what I feel. I wish that it would go and let me cry again, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, the only person took my heart. Rain, please tell me now that's well. For her to stole my heart away when she don't care. I could just be down when my heart is somewhere far away. Don't tell me sorry.
Ooh, happy!
Know that I love you. I give you
Almost done.
Do you remember the time we shared together? The way people were, don't hurt me again. You are my love, you're all I got. My own,
A heart now with a heart. Siyempre, kulay red. Pink and red. Pink and red.
I wonder what the hell I can't forget all the love we shared together. You stole my heart that night. The night you said goodbye. And now I'm left with you. Whispering in my heart, so I may cry. Music was playing, and my heart was singing. But I knew whether I would have again.
Bye, guys. Peace with
As I was lost, I see that one day
Sabi ko to si nanay.
it's not there for
Si Boy.